One of my favorite flower is lotus, not because of its beauty, but the deep struggle it signifies. It grows in mud and toxicity with no support or branches. Despite so many resistance or lack of support, it grows directly towards the sky. It means you have to go through mud to achieve something beautiful in life. That's how experiences and struggles teach us. That is the meaning of the phrase lotus in the mud. I no longer believe in attachment. Attachment often leads to unnecessary sufferings. When you attach, you expect, and the day you don't meet your expectations from any person, things, or situation, it hurts you. It hurts you deep within. Clinging to people does not make you happy. Happiness and peace come from within. Second thing is, you can't change someone. Change comes from within, not by forceful endeavors. No one can change me, no one can change another person till the day they want to change themselves. First step toward change is acceptance. Today, rarely anyone want to accept on flaws and faults. Don't waste your energy trying to change someone because at the end you will find yourself drained and helpless. So stop trying to change someone. Invest this energy in yourself and improve yourself. I no longer believe in the idea that socialization can change your personality. I know, I acknowledge that we all are social animals. We learn and unlearn from each other what to do and what to not do. But isolation plays a vital role in improving our personality. Isolation does not mean to locking yourself into a room, but choosing not to entertain toxic people and relationships anymore. I no longer believe in human connections completely. I'm completely aware that I can't escape from this life. I have to deal with people around me, but I learned that no one can stay forever. People will come and go. Humans are dual natured. People can flip or put on their mask anytime. They can hurt you if they can love you. They can they can betray you. They can save you as well. They can make your life hell and they can make your life beautiful. So humans are most dangerous creatures on this earth. If you feed a dog, animal can give you nothing in return, but um, but it will not hurt you unnecessarily. But a human can. भले आप उनके लिए कुछ भी कर लो. I no longer believe in sharing secrets. Someone you might trust can use your secrets to your disadvantage, especially if you are sensitive or soft hearted. I don't believe in the concept. I know that. I know them completely. You know, you can never completely be aware about a person even after completing precious years with them. You may know them up 80 to 90%, but 10 to 20% is always hidden. I find it naive when people say, I know them, I know him or her completely, especially when they have only spent 2 to 3 years with that person. I no longer believe in finding missing piece in a partner. We all come and go alone on this earth. No one can fulfill you. No one can be a reason of your happiness. Okay. So how come someone we are missing piece? How come someone borrow that happiness that is not within you? They can enhance your happiness. They can be a part of your happiness. Okay? Invest in yourself rather than scattering your energy finding or missing piece. Just like a snake shed its skin to heal injuries and to grow a new skin. Simultaneously, we need to unlearn our old patterns to adopt new habits and develop new insight about the things around us. You must provide room for new things to come in. This is how you will grow from a seedling to a thriving tree. Sky's the limit to your dreams.